Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see your card number on Wisely app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your Wisely app. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface. Here in this Wisely Pay, you're going to find your Wisely card just right over here, right? So what you're going to do is simply going to tap on your Wisely card, and then it will open up the information regarding card just likewise over here. You can see my Wisely card information and available balance, etc., transaction and trends, but it does not show your card's number. So by the authority for the security of your card's sake as well, you do not have that option. And like other banking apps available and the website, Wisely also do not shows the number, because it also follows the same prompts. Let's say if somebody get access to your Wisely app and sees your card number, they can use it for their own purpose and can harm your privacy plus your bank balance here for the Wisely. That's why the only way for you to check the number is simply having the Wisely card on yourself, and you can physically, so you can check out the number. And if you have forgotten your number or you do not have the access to the card, you have to contact the Wisely support and you have to let them know your concern, and they will let you know how you can get it. So this is basically the options. Hope it was helpful to you all, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.